Good morning, everyone. Aja here from Panda Monium. My first strawberry. Let's see. Oh my god, that's so good. So sweet and good. I have one more on there, but I don't think it's quite ready. And I'm making me a salad from the garden. So these are the greens that I just harvested from the garden. I'm gonna make a fried avocado with egg and put it on top of the salad. I cut the avocado in half and then I scooped it out. Now I'm gonna slice this in half. Didn't do a very good job of doing that. And there it goes. It leaves you a pocket to put an egg in. I'm gonna go ahead and get that fried up. You can use whatever oil you want, but I have this avocado oil that's in a spray form. Just spray some oil onto the pan. Grab your avocado, put it in the pan, and turn it down. Turn it down to about 3. Smoke. Then I start to crack an egg in there. I know, I'm not very good at doing that. And that's it. So I'm just gonna sprinkle some pink sea salt on it and then let it cook and then flip it. Okay, should have cooked enough. It's pretty hard to do stuff with one hand. There we go, you just flip it and let that cook. I am really excited about my breakfast. We've got the salad here with the fresh greens out of the garden. We have blueberries and walnuts and cheese, cheddar cheese, with some blue cheese dressing, some mandarin oranges, and also have the avocado with egg, fried egg. Can't wait to dig in. Let's see, usually, see, yeah, that's how it is. It's nice and runny on the inside. I'm gonna dig in. I have been applying my used coffee grounds and also my eggshells. Yes, I do heat the eggshells for about 20 seconds in the microwave. Also, I've been chopping and dropping certain things like avocado rinds and also the orange rinds and any kind of leafy things that I don't use, I just chop and put back on the pots. That way they break down directly and feed the plants. My raspberry looks good. Yay, I'm excited about the raspberry. I think the girls are doing salon day and doing pedicures today, so I'm gonna go check it out. Oh, look at my feet. I definitely need a pedicure. What's going on over here? Is it salon day?
Spa day.
Oh, spa day in the desert.
We're hiding our dirty fingernails.
You know, the last time we did this, like Teri and I did this one time before. She did my nails and I did her nails.
There you go. Want to do yours?
It's easier that way.
Oh yeah.
We got nice
Especially
colors.
wearing your glasses.
Oh, nice. Oh, so pretty.
Feel the glittery?
Yeah. What color are you doing?
I'm gonna do this too.
Oh, those two.
And then look at Donna brought this,
Oh,
and
nice.
Amy brought those, and Ghislaine and Jen.
Look at
We
y'all.
put all our stuff
Having
together.
spa day. We're taking a little field trip. About 19 miles away from our camp spot is Bounce, Arizona. So we're gonna go see what that's about. I've never been there. We've got Jeff and Rady with me. Like pork. ATVs in this area. I'm sure there's a lot of good exploring.
Isn't that where they had that thing that we went to look
Oh yeah,
at?
that's where the, it's not a petroglyph because it's in the, huh? No, it still had glyph on the end. No, it's a drawing in the ground. Huh?
Yeah.
Is it with rocks? Yeah. Yeah, it does have a big old fence around it. It has, it's the same, like it's not petroglyph, but it is, forget what it's called. What did you say it was, Jeff?
He's asking Google.
Oh, yes, Google knows. Hey, Google.
It says it's a design incised or engraved into a material. That's an intaglio.
No, this is drawn into the ground or rock, so it's something different. It has glyph on the end of it, though. So I thought the word was geoglyph, but he just looked it up and I was correct too. That's things built out of rock or any kind of material from the landscape is a geoglyph, and that's what it is there. I believe it's the fisherman. There's a guy with a fishing pole.
Fisherman intaglio.
Oh, intaglio.
Which is what the ones over in California are called too. They're called intaglio.
Look, more camping. Is this BLM here too? I would believe so.
Looks like it.
Seems like there are quite a few people out this way.
The intaglio or geoglyph before you tells an important story. Native Americans have.
Oh, so the word intaglio is also used for geoglyph. Okay. Yeah, Rainey just saw a sign that said 14-day camping. We made it to Bouse and we're here at the county park. And look, they do have camping here. Register guests only. See camp host. Oh, nice. Is it plug-in? It is plug-in sites. They do have a dump as well. How much?
$120 for a month.
$120 for a month? Wow.
$10 a night.
$10 a night.
Or if you want water, it's $125 a month. Or they have electric and water for $160 a month.
Oh wow, $160 a month. That's not bad. And the camp host is right over there. They have toilet facilities,
$15 for
little playground, a little cabana or pavilion. What else was there?
Well, there's a dump station that's for non-campers is $15.
But it's included if you're camping
Well, no,
here.
overnight campers it's another $10. So, yeah. See, then they have weekly rates. And,
Oh, weekly rates? They don't have, but nightly rates it's $10?
yeah,
Overnight campers $10. Oh no, that's for the dump.
that's a dump. This is the camping.
Oh, okay. Camping with electric and hookups. So it's $14 daily. That's not bad. $70 weekly or $160 for the month.
Plus electricity.
Oh, I thought you were saying, I don't know why I was thinking $160 for the year. I was like, wow, that's amazing.
No, but the dump station is down.
That's a little pricey.
If you're only overnight camping here, the dump station is $15. But if you're staying weekly, you get one free dump. If you're staying monthly, you get one free dump every week.
Not self-contained. You can only stay 5 days per month.
If you're not self-contained.
Yeah.
So it's a cute little park. Not a lot of green though, but it is the desert.
That little trailer.
Oh yeah, the pop-up. Let me get Moo-moo's leash real quick. Ooh, Moo-moo, look at their beautiful desert garden. Oh, it's pretty dry there. They do have one pretty cactus here. This is the barrel cactus. The rest, though, definitely kind of sad. Honestly, though, if you don't need hookups, there is a lot of BLM around. So, and that's free for 14 days. There's a closer shot of the pavilion, playground. Here's the restrooms. There's a dump station right there. And, oh, they have grass here. Nice. Oh, a long span of grass, actually. Danger, water not to be used for drinking. So this is not potable here, obviously, by the dump station. It usually never is. Oh, the grass is so spongy. Spongy, Moo-moo, it's spongy. Oh, you got the grass, huh?
What's
The grass?
I have not seen grass in fucking how long? Grass. fucking
Uh-oh, it's
grass.
crazinesses. Gonna get you, gonna get you. They have I think it's a baseball field over here. Yep, there it is. Huh. Alright, we are driving through Bouse. There's trailer courts and it doesn't seem like a lot. There are buildings here. Church. Oh, what road is this? Is this the main road right here? It cuts through.
There's gotta be stores.
Are they to the left or right?
Family Dollars to the right.
So it says Parker is 26 miles that way and Lake Havasu is 65. This comes back around to Parker. Okay, oops.
Wow. He's packed up, is he not?
I know, look at, he's got a full bike there. Water jugs and everything.
He's got a guitar.
There's a mercantile. Oh, they have the drinking water
Some
here.
tanks over there.
5 gallons for $1. Ocotillo Lounge. Cocktails. Saloon. That sounds interesting. Oh, they have now serving breakfast.
Yeah.
Real estate. Oh, a motel.
Hotel laundry.
Yeah, there's not much here at all. I think the Family Dollar is the last thing. And then this leads all the way to 10. I guess I'll turn in here. Y'all want to go to the saloon and see what's going on?
We have to move the dogs out.
Oh, that's true. It's kind of hot.
Yeah, he's like,
Are you hot, Quark? Are you hot? The AC's on. There's an RV resort. So I believe we're on 60. We're headed back to Quartzite, but not the same way that we took before.
Turn right onto US 60 West.
Oh no, we're getting on 60 now.
Gateway Ranch, RV Resort.
So there's a better shot of the RV park. It's nice they got those bushes there to do wind block and sort of noise block.
We have palm trees.
Yeah. So this leads to Wickenburg, but we're going to be getting off in about 5 miles to get on 10 West.
Yeah, I've never been this way.
Yeah, I've never been this way either. It's pretty cool.
It's interesting.
Exploring.
I'm glad you went this way. What a thunk.
There's a Black Rock RV Village Cafe. That's pretty cool. I like the Black Rock.
That's new.
Oh yeah. We're here at Sunset Grill. Ooh, today's special is skillet spaghetti, $6. That's what I'm getting.
Oh, you found the
Bruce
water.
and Rye just pulled up on their bikes. We're waiting on our food. Thank you. Ooh, spaghetti.
Thank you.
Oh, cheese curds and hamburger. Oh, cheeseburgers. Look at that dispenser. That's very efficient.
I love it.
Yeah. My plants have been doing really good because I've been putting compost tea on them, and this is what I use when I do compost tea. I have the bag of worm castings. I have some compost here, and then I also use banana peels for potassium. But I bought something and got it while I was in Yuma. So I bought this bubbler when I was in Yuma offline and got it shipped to me. That way the compost tea stays aerobic instead of anaerobic, because you don't want it to be anaerobic. It is solar operated and it comes with 2 bubblers and the hoses. I'm gonna test this out and see how it works. Today is feeding day because it's Sunday. So I usually feed it once a week, but once your plants get established, you can probably do it bi-weekly. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and test it out and see how it works. This is what the stone bubbler looks like. And it's basically for a fish aquarium or any pond. Just puts out bubbles so your water doesn't get stagnant. So I have all the hoses and the bubbler hooked up. Now when I get back to the property, I'll probably make these longer because I'm gonna do this compost tea in a 5-gallon bucket, so that way I'll have a lot for the plants. But right now, since I'm doing it in this small container, I'm just gonna use both bubblers in the same container. So I'm just gonna set those in there and turn it on. If I can figure out how to turn it on.
Under the solar panel.
Under, oh, there it is. There it goes. Yay! So I'm gonna put this out in the sun and let it charge while it's bubbling. It does have batteries in it, so that way at night it can keep on bubbling. I have that panel right there in the sun and the bottle over there in the shade with the plants. One last thing I want to do is add this nice black syrup, which is molasses, to the compost tea. That way the microbes have something to feed off of. So I'm just gonna let that sit in there for a second and dissolve. Well, look who made it back. Dave and Bella. And then also Scott and Teri are pulling in. No! Ooh, squeaky. Ah, my dress is blowing up. Good thing I got shorts on. I said, good thing I got shorts on.
I saw your belly button.
How are y'all doing?
Hi, beautiful.
I'm glad y'all made it finally.
I know, right? About time.
Well, find a spot. You can, or that's good.
I think that's it.
Yeah, that's it.
So they're filming, so it's not so loud.
Well, actually, I mean, it is a good spot, but you can pull up. It's just a little breezy. It's not too bad.
No, we'll move somewhere
Okay.
else.
Well, you can park near me or across here
Go right over
too.
here.
Yeah.
Or wherever. You know what?
Hello, everybody.
I'm gonna let you guys figure it out.
No, you're driving. You figure it out.
No, I'm driving. That's right. You guys figure it out.
I'll figure it out. I don't know where.
Hey, honky donkey. Okay, donkey.
There's Mike. Is that Mike?
What you need?
Look at Mike.
Okay, she wants to get up. What are y'all doing over there? Are you building something? Yes. Are you building a bench? Bella, are you coming to say? Oh, I forgot Moo-moo was inside. Hey, Moo-moo, you want to come out? Bella wants to say hello. All right, there we go. Well, okay, you trade spots. She's like, nope, I'm gonna go say hey to Teri and Scott. Moo-moo came over to say hello.
Oh, Moo. I'll say hello, Moo.
Aww.
They're busy
There
over
you
there.
go.
They'll get to you. You'll get your turn.
Look at her tail. Look at her tail. She's like, I just back of my tail.
I'm ready.
Okay.
It worked out well.
You have visitors. What? They were visiting Cork.
Yeah, I got meat on that counter.
Oh, that's what they were visiting.
They're visiting that meat. Come here.
Thank. A group of us are taking a sunset ride. Wow, the sun is so bright. It's hard to see. It's a nice time of the day. Right, Moo-moo? My God, we have a haboob going on. Oh, can't open it too much. It's a dust storm. Pretty strong one. I think there's gusts up to like 50 or 60 miles an hour every once in a while. I think we've got a constant 20-mile-an-hour breeze going. I shouldn't say breeze, I should say wind. Ugh. Wind plus desert equals a lot of dust. Not pleasant. I don't know if you can see in the distance, all that is dust. There's actually mountains over there, but it's so dusty you can't even see them. Yay, welcome to the southern desert of Arizona. Oh my God, look at the road. There's the people coming on. Such loose dust, it's just blowing all over the place. Glad I'm not parked next to the road. Yeah, y'all don't look weird at all hiding underneath there. So Terry and some of the girls made dinner. Looks good. Colleen, did you do the?
Colleen.
I thought I made
Colleen,
the
and then the
Mushroom and potatoes was Carrie. Sorry, Carrie.
Hey everybody.
We're having a windstorm party.
Well, the food looks good.
I can't let you go, baby. I just wanna tell you that. No, 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 no. Yeah. All of my friends say, girl, you better take care. 'Cause that man is trouble, you best beware. And though deep down, I know I might be headed for teardrops. Now that you got me started, I just can't stop. No, no. 'Cause I love you, baby. I can't let you go, baby. I gotta tell you that I've been looking for love so true.
Look at y'all in there.
When I was down and
Party
out,
animals.
came you.
Party animals in my
But you might
house.
be a liar and cheat too. I just can't quit you now 'cause I